everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and use voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Super handy if you prefer speaking instead of typing. First, open the settings app from your home screen. Now scroll down and locate this option called General Management and tap on it. Now tap on Samsung keyboard settings or just keyboard list and default depending on your version. So here, make sure Google voice typing is turned on. If it's off, just toggle the switch. Now go to any app where you can type like messages, WhatsApp or notes. Go to any chat. Tap on the text field. Then tap the microphone icon on the keyboard. I can see it at the bottom left corner of my keyboard. And then start speaking. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And your words will automatically convert into text. If you don't see the mic, make sure you are using the Samsung keyboard or Gboard and that microphone permissions are enabled. And that's it. You will now be able to start using voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.